I wonder if Olivia's up to her game.
Sorry.
That'll be a no, then.
Olivia's a little too real right now.
Yeah, real pissed, Paul.
Is it your hands?
I'm actually right-handed, so...
You're all right. Is this that good dinner chat?
Well, yeah, if you're having dinner with a load of squaddies.
Oh, my goodness me, what is that?
Sorry.
What was that? A pip?
Yeah, Pip.
Maybe the gallon of Prosecco she's drunk?